Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a large, and I mean a large and in charge Bath & Body Works haul. If I can even, we have a lot of candles to go through. I had to carry this package up 2 flights of stairs, and my God, was I panting at the end. So if you cannot tell by my array of candles behind me, one of my best friends watches my videos, which is very nice of her, and she was like, my God, you have a ton of candles. And I said, oh shoot, that's only half of them. The other half is in the cabinet that my TV is sitting on. So I love candles a lot. Little backstory is, growing up, my dad would never let me have candles, or like no burning candles in the house. My dad hates scents. So when I officially moved out, I was on my own. I went a little candle crazy, and now I just love it. It's like part of my nighttime routine to, you know, light my candle, popcorn in one hand, wine in the other, Brooklyn Nine-Nine's on the television. It's a good night. So recently with Bath & Body Works, they had a sale for, I think each candle was $6.50, and usually I think they're $14.50, but they always have the 2 for $20 sale, so they're usually $10 a piece. And so before the sale even happened, I had a bunch loaded in my cart, and then I saw the sale was gonna happen, and I was like, I've got to get a lot of candles. You have a whopping 18 candles to go through. I know, very excessive, but I got really excited and I was like, I love this sale, so I just went for it. So I did open this box last night, just to kind of see. I was really excited to film this video today. And I did see that actually one of the candles is broken, which is really unfortunate and disappointing, but I mean, they're glass, so I can understand. But also another candle was like straight up not wrapped at all in any way, so that was disappointing to see, but this one made it and the one that was wrapped did not make it. So let's just jump right into it. I think I'm gonna, in the end, try to rank my top 3 and my bottom 3, just to like give you some differentiation. So the first one is Fresh Cut Lilacs, and I also have Bath & Body Works pulled up on my computer right now so I can tell you what the scent is rather than just guessing, because that will be very embarrassing for me. So the scent is of Lilac Bouquets, Dewy Grass, and Soft Spring Air. I would definitely say that it does smell like lilacs. If you like that smell, you'll like this candle. It's really nice. I'm not really getting like the dewy greens and like spring air, but I am definitely getting a lot of lilacs. It smells very, very good. And then we have Brighter Day. This is orange zest and sea spray. On the website it said it's a scent of freshly squeezed orange, aromatic herbs, and sea spray. I'm definitely getting the freshly squeezed orange more than anything. It kind of smells like an orange Skittle, if I'm being honest. I also really love like the neon pink packaging. I think it'll look really pretty with like the fire inside. But yeah, a really bright scent, and definitely the orange is coming through more so than anything. And then the limoncello one was actually the one that was unwrapped. And this is like a classic scent. I feel like it's always available at Bath & Body Works. And one of my best friends said that she loved this scent, so this is definitely one of mine to get. So it's a scent of Sorrento lemons, cane sugar, and lemon zest. Yeah, it's very fresh, very lemony, kind of smells like lemonade. It's overall a good one. The next one's my favorite. I'm so excited. I love this candle. I cannot live without it. It is the Vanilla and Patchouli. It's spelled Patchouli. I don't know how you exactly pronounce that. It's also previously been marketed as like the comfort candle, and I would say that's exactly what it is. It is so delicious. This is my favorite candle of all time. It is like a very like sexy, soothing scent. I love it so much. I also have no idea what patchouli is, but I know that it smells really good. So on the website it just says it's a scent of vanilla absolute and patchouli essential oil, and I swear this is the best candle I've ever smelled. I feel like it needs to be excluded from my top 3 at the end, because this is automatically just like my favorite candle. This was just bought to restock and make sure I have a ton of them in my apartment at all times. The next one is Hibiscus Paradise. This smells exactly like the Aussie hair products. Like, this is giving me like Aussie like 3-minute deep conditioner. which I like. I love that smell. I do love that smell. So the website says it's a scent of pink hibiscus, juicy guava, and sun-kissed coconut. I think I'm mostly getting that coconut, and I think that's why I'm getting the Aussie hair care vibes, but overall it smells really good. The next one is Sun Wash Citrus. It says it's the scent of Sorrento lemons, citron, and agave nectar. It does smell really good. It's like kind of like fruity candy. I'm getting the lemon, I'm getting the citrus. I think I might like this more when it's burning than when I do just like smelling it right now. But overall, a good scent, a good scent. I feel like I'm gonna quickly run out of adjectives to describe these candles, so I apologize in advance. This is not my expertise. Okay, now we have Tiki Beach. The scent of warm vanilla musk, orchids, and toasted coconuts. That sounds delicious. Okay, that's a little bit less potent than I thought it was gonna be. But it smells good. I'm getting the vanilla. I'm not getting the orchids, but I am getting the coconut. Yeah, I'm liking this one. That's a really good one. I hope it's a little bit more potent when you burn it, because that was, maybe my nostrils are getting really tired of smelling. That's also very possible. But yeah, I really like that one. And now we have Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. It is a scent of tropical passion fruit, radiant kiwi, and juicy pineapple. Okay, it reminds me, this is such a weird thing. In Disney World, when you're on the ride Soarin', you go over a field of like oranges. I don't know if the ride has changed, but this kind of reminds me of that smell, even though there's not orange in it. Overall, very tropical scent. Very, very tropical. I like it, it's fruity. Overall, pretty good. The next one is Suntan, which is a cute little octopus on the front. The scent of sun-kissed citrus, we have a lot of that. Maybe I was in a mood. Orange blossoms and coconut husk. I'm getting none of that. I'm getting straight up none of that. I am only getting the scent of sunscreen. Okay, just to be clear, it says citrus, orange blossoms, and coconut husk. And all I'm getting right now is sunscreen. I mean, it makes sense because it says suntan, but that is not what I was expecting. Okay, I'm thinking this is gonna be in the bottom 3. And now we have Rose Vanilla. This is the scent of rose essential oil and vanilla extract. What's there not to like? Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's like the perfect balance of rose and vanilla. I love these sorts of like soothing scents. I have a lot of soothing scents like stocked up, so that's why more of this haul is like the more like seasonal candles and stuff like that. But I love a good basic like rose, vanilla, like anything like soothing scent I love. That's a really good one. I will definitely be repurchasing that. And then we have Sunshine. It's a scent of sunny daffodils, bright citrus, and luscious greens. I love daffodil the flower. I just love how it looks. Oh, that is very potent and I love it. Oh my god, that smells like goddamn sunshine. We always say one of my best friends is like a ray of sunshine, and this literally smells like, I feel like this is her scent. Oh my god, I might have to give this to her. It smells like how she should smell, or like does smell. It just reminds me exactly of her. Oh my god, I love that candle. That is pure happiness in a candle. Okay, now we have Hibiscus Waterfalls. This is a scent of tropical hibiscus, sweet peach nectar, and fresh waterfall mist. I'm not getting peach. I don't even know what this smells like. I guess it smells like a waterfall. I'm not getting hibiscus, not getting peach. It's a very like manly scent, I would say. It's like very musky kind of. I have a candle still over there that's called like Frozen Lake, and it reminds me exactly of this. I feel like it's like the exact same scent. Just like, I don't know, that kind of like you're by a lake or you're by a waterfall type of thing. Also, I apologize for the lighting. It is the end of the day. We're using natural light, although I am getting lighting very soon, so look forward to that. Then we have Happy Easter. It's also called The Perfect Spring on the website. It's a scent of spring air, fresh grass, and apple blossom. Ooh, this smells really good, very refreshing. Oh, my nose is getting so shot right now, but I am getting the apple blossom for sure. I would say that's the thing that's coming through the most. It's very fresh. It does remind you of like a fresh spring day, so I really like it. It's a very fresh, clean scent. I like it, but I feel like it falls in the middle of the pack. Okay, that lighting was driving me crazy. It's still on my sweater. I'm sorry, I will not film at the end of the day ever again. Okay, moving on, we have Linen and Lavender. It's the scent of crisp linen, lavender sea salt, and fresh air breeze. That's a really nice, clean scent. Yeah, I would say lavender, linen. Yeah, I probably more lavender than anything. But yeah, it's exactly what the candle says. It's linen and lavender. And by the way, the one that broke is called Eucalyptus and Tea, and I didn't really like the scent anyway, so it's fine that it broke. The next one is Orange and Ginger. It's a scent of orange essential oil and ginger essential oil. We didn't really need to read that description. Definitely a lot more orange than ginger, and I'm not mad about that. I like this one a lot. This one's good. I also love the scent of oranges, so naturally I'm gonna like it. Yeah, I like that a lot. I think the ginger makes it like a little bit more fresh. Maybe I'm just making things up at this point. Maybe I'm just like so high on the scents. Okay, the next one is called Endless Weekend. It is a scent of fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and blue coconut water. Excellent. Oh my god, that smells amazing. That smells exactly like what a summer night smells like. I'm getting coconut. I'm getting the mandarin. This is a hard one to describe. It smells so relaxing and like one of your best nights out, like in the summer. I love this one. This is a good one. Oof. Okay, last one is Let Love Glow. It is the scent of cotton candy sugar, sparkling raspberries, and a sprinkle of love from Cupid. Sign me up. Oh my god, that is very sweet. So I tend to like sweet scents when they're burning, but right off the bat, it's a little like, it's bordering on like sickly sweet. You so get the cotton candy and you so get the sugary raspberries. I think this one's gonna grow on me. I really do. So it turns out I just needed to shut my blind the whole time, and now we're totally fine. So thank you for bearing with me through that horrible lighting situation. I have taken some time and some careful thought to round up what I originally thought was going to be my top 3 and bottom 3, but actually is going to be my top 4 and bottom 2. As I mentioned earlier, the vanilla and patchouli is definitely one of my favorites. It's an honorable mention, but I'm not going to include it in my top 4 because I feel like I knew that I was going to love it. This was just a restock candle, but this is like my favorite candle of all time. Actually, before we get into the bottom 4, we're gonna do the bottom 2 first so we can like end on a positive note. And I feel like this is not gonna be much of a surprise based on my initial reaction in smelling these candles. It's gonna be the Hibiscus Waterfall. This is just like, okay to me. I don't foresee myself loving burning this one. It's just okay. And then Suntan. The packaging is so cute on both of these. I really like it, but Suntan, Bath & Body Works, I don't know what you were going with for this one. I mean, I think I should have known that it was gonna smell like sunscreen because it's called Suntan, but your description on the website did not match the scent. Honestly, I do not know if I will even burn this one. This one was really bad. I don't think I really want the smell of sunscreen in my house. I don't know. Okay, let's get on to the top 4, the cream of the crop. First, starting out with Tiki Beach. This one was so good. It just smells, oh, so good. It's just coconutty and smells like summer. It gets me excited to like go to the beach. Oh, I love it. This is such a delicious scent. And then this one came in at the very end. This is Endless Weekend. The smell is seriously indescribable. It is literally what I would like the scent I would put to like an amazing night, like out on a beach town, just enjoying your summer. It's so carefree. I know that's so weird to like describe a scent as like carefree, but it's so relaxing. I really, really love this one. And I have to throw the rose and vanilla one in there. This was such a pleasant surprise. I know a pretty basic candle, but oh, I know I'm gonna love burning this after like a stressful day at work. This one is gonna be so perfect like for the bathtub or just needing to like unwind. I love this scent. And then finally, starting with the first one, this was Fresh Cut Lilacs, and I loved it. It's exactly what the title says, Fresh Cut Lilacs. It's perfect, it's floral, it's such a pretty scent. So I hope you guys liked this Bath & Body Works major haul and getting a glimpse into my huge candle addiction. I cannot wait to start burning these and add them to the disgustingly large collection I already have. But definitely let me know in the comments if you have any scents that you like or have tried that I just showed. We can bond about it in the comments. And if you have any good suggestions for scents that you know come out, you know, around the year, or just like classic good scents, let me know in the comments. Your girl is obsessed with candles, will always buy more. So if you like this video, of course, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Join the family that we got going on here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.